In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points and numbered lists in WordPress. Whether you're managing a personal blog, a business website, or anything in between, having well-organized content can make a world of difference for your visitors. Bullet points and numbered lists are simple yet powerful tools that help break up information, making it easier to read, understand, and navigate. If you're new to WordPress or just looking to sharpen your skills, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started. Now, before we dive into the specifics of creating lists, we need to first access your WordPress account. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress homepage. Once there, look toward the top right corner of the screen to locate the login link. Click on it to begin. To make the process faster and more secure, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. This allows you to log in with your existing Google credentials, saving you from having to remember yet another password. Once you click on this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Select the account you use to manage your WordPress site. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login process, which will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to accessing the site editor. From the dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. This is usually located on the main page of your dashboard. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on it. This will bring you to the editing interface, where you can make changes to the content and design of your website. If you manage multiple websites under the same WordPress account, you'll be prompted to select the specific site you want to edit. Simply click on the website name to open the editor for that particular site. Once you're in the editing interface, it's time to add your bullet points or numbered lists. To begin, look for a small plus icon in the top left corner of the editor. This icon is used to add new elements to your pages. When you click on it, a search bar will appear. Type the word list into the search field. This is the easiest way to find all the options related to creating lists in WordPress. From the search results, select the list element. Clicking on this will open a pop-up feature that gives you the choice between two styles, bullet points or numbered lists. Take a moment to decide which style suits your page better. Bullet points are great for unordered lists, like features or highlights, while numbered lists work best for content that follows a logical sequence, like steps or rankings. After selecting your preferred style, follow the on-screen instructions to integrate the list into your page. You'll typically be prompted to click on the area of your page where you want the list to appear. Once it's placed, you can start typing your content directly into the list fields. If you ever want to adjust the style or reposition the list, WordPress offers simple drag-and-drop functionality, so don't worry about making changes later on. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to access your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the site editor, and add bullet points or numbered lists to your content. Organizing your information has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.